To practice Dharma, you don't need to show and say that I'm a Buddhist. I need to practice religion and so on. But to be kind-hearted, good-hearted, to practice loving kindness and generate love and compassion. Even non-believers need that. Everybody needs the love and care. So I think if you generate and practice more of generating the loving kindness and compassion, which is the essence of Dharma. So if you do that, then I think that you can do it with everybody, anybody.